Whitepass is a web-based project management solution developed and designed by Cascade Web Development. In today's fast-paced corporate world, the coordination of employees with business activities can seem daunting. Project schedules, version control, and fragmented email conversations can haunt even the leanest of small businesses, while larger employee structures can suffer from even greater complexities. Whitepass is the product of our efforts here at CWD to resolve these coordination and management problems. Whitepass accomplishes these goals by creating and implementing a simple yet effective hierarchy of project and task list organization linked with a highly responsive individualistic approach. Let's take a brief tour. After logging into Whitepass, the user is presented with their personal dashboard. The contents of the dashboard are unique to every user and display current and upcoming task lists, days until due, days past due, as well as a 2-week forecasting calendar for a visual snapshot of their future schedule. From there, the user has multiple options. He or she can click on any one of their task lists to be redirected to a detailed description of the item, including a prioritized breakdown of its individual task components. Here is where the user can reprioritize their task list and/or add new tasks in response to changing demand or conditions. This is also where the user can check off tasks completed. Though it may seem somewhat trivial, we firmly believe in the importance of maintaining employee morale, and when it comes to work, there's nothing like recognizing the completion of one's tasks to give one that extra boost of accomplishment and confidence. Once all tasks in the list have been checked off, the entire task list will automatically disappear from that user's dashboard. What was just described were some of the basic elements of the individual experience for users of Whitepass. Now let's take a look at more of the structural aspects of the application. The organizational hierarchy of Whitepass starts at the top with what we call the project. The project can take on many forms depending on the type of industry your company is in, or just your company's intended use of the application. At Cascade Web Development, the creation of a project is usually associated with an individual client. Individual team members can be assigned to a project where applicable. Once created, the manager then has the option of creating what we call a milestone. A milestone is an indication device intended to alert team members to especially important dates, like the completion of a major phase in a multi-phase project. Typically, Cascade Web Development uses milestones to mark dates at which deliverables are due for an important meeting with a client. They appear on every calendar of the members assigned to the project and serve as a collective reminder, further reinforcing coordination. Situated below the milestone within the hierarchy is the task list. Task lists can be created by anyone and are an essential part of the project management process. Task lists can be created by one member of a team, such as a project manager, and assigned to another member of the team, such as a lead programmer or lead marketer. A description field allows the assigner to describe the task list being assigned, while the Create a New Task option permits the addition of as many specific tasks as desired. Once completed, a notification email is immediately delivered both to the assigner as well as to the assignee, informing both that a task list has been created. The emails are linked to the project with a unique tracking code, which can be easily searched for tracking purposes. This allows for the seamless communication of project developments, effectively curbing some of the coordination and management hurdles mentioned earlier. The creation of milestones and tasks build the project schedule and individual dashboards. Members of the project can now view progress and delays. The messaging feature can further the team with email notification and tracking within the system. This has been a brief rundown of the basic features and advantages of implementing the Whitepass project management system. For further information regarding features and customizability, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team at sales@cascadewebdev.com. We look forward to assisting you in your business coordination and management needs. Thank you for your interest in this helpful software solution offered to you by Cascade Web Development.